interesting texture on this branch. It will be a perfect stand for my flowers.
That is a beautiful piece. Let us find a few more to complete the collection.
The spring air is so fresh this morning. I feel so alive.
It truly is. I think this day is going to be wonderful for our garden.
I think these sweet pea seeds will look beautiful on our backyard trellis.
That is a great choice. The vibrant color will really brighten up our morning walks.
Thank you. We are very excited to start our new garden patch.
Everything is ready. Let us head back home to start planting.
The soil is so rich. Our new seeds will surely grow well here.
I will help you clear this section so we can plant the peas right away.
I am quite tired, but it feels so rewarding to work on our little home.
You work so hard. Let us take a small break before preparing lunch.
These vegetables we grew taste much better than store-bought ones.
I agree. The extra love we give them really shows in the final meal.
The soup is starting to smell delicious. It reminds me of comfort.
Let us add a pinch of salt to finish it off. It is ready to serve.
Jack, I have been thinking about what you said earlier today about feelings.
I am listening, Ruby. Tell me what has been on your mind lately.
I believe we need to understand our own emotions before we expect others to change.
That is very wise. Taking ownership of our own feelings is the first step toward peace.
Thank you for this beautiful lunch. It was exactly what I needed.
I am glad. Let us enjoy a cup of tea on the porch now.
The wind is getting a bit cooler now, but it feels so refreshing.
Yes, the spring breeze is always so gentle and soothing at this hour.
I love these quiet moments. They really ground us after a long day.
I agree. Being able to share this quietness is what makes a home.
The sun is starting to set behind the hills now.
It has been such a wonderful and productive day, hasn't it?
Seeing our garden grow makes me feel so proud of us.
It is a testament to our teamwork and patience. I love it too.
Spring is definitely my favorite season of the year.
Mine too. Everything feels so new and full of life.
Thank you for always listening to my thoughts, Jack.
Always. Your thoughts are important to me, my dear.
This has been such a peaceful afternoon.
I could not agree more. It was truly perfect.
Shall we leave the chairs out for tomorrow?
Yes, let us. It will be nice to have tea here again tomorrow.
Good night to the beautiful valley.
Good night. See you tomorrow, my love.